Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Saurabh Sir classes, and we were doing PUBDET series, PUBDET series final. We are at the verge of ending our series of PUBDET. We have done we have done n number of questions from PUBDET series, and this is a general paper going on. So I hope that hopefully all the PUBDET videos have been uploaded and you have already watched them and you have learned from them. Now this is general part. So I have to tell you one thing, the general paper is the easiest of all. The subject papers might have got some substance, but general paper, it's like, dude, you're just joking. You cannot ask this kind of questions. These are questions from class 6 or 7. I'm not expecting class 12 students to solve this question to get into a reputed university like Presidency, but still you cannot just mock or take them so lightly. Again, I have just done right now I have done a question from logical reasoning, and it was extremely easy. Again, I am saying that everybody, it doesn't mean that everybody has to feel that level of what I can say, that liquidity has to be for it doesn't mean that it has to be for everyone. But if you feel some doubt, if you have got some questions, you can always ping us, WhatsApp us, and ring us in this number given in your screen, 90623952123, and you can join us for a mock test series. Study materials are available over here, and for classes. See, these are so easy. It's like one line of questions and nothing to explain at all, because they are all general knowledge, like not even general intelligence, it's not even GI, it's general knowledge, GK. So GK questions has got nothing to explain much, and that's why I've picked up 3 questions to cover up in this one video. Okay, generally I pick up 1 question for 1 video, so over here we have got 3 questions and we will solve it together over here right now. Which of the following is national sports of India? So hockey, football, cricket, kabaddi. Now there is a doubt. Okay, I have a doubt over here, because cricket और फुटबॉल तो कभी नहीं होगा, और इंडिया का कोई नेशनल स्पोर्ट है भी नहीं. ठीक है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, इंडिया का कोई भी नेशनल स्पोर्ट नहीं है. सम से कबड्डी, सम से हॉकी. सो प्लीज स्टिक टू, आई वुड सजेस्ट go with hockey. Just a minute. Go with hockey. Go with hockey. Some say kabaddi, some say hockey, but there is no actually India has got no national sport. So we can basically, hockey was the one used to play earlier, and we have won quite a number of medals. The highest number of Olympic medals we have is in hockey till now, so we can go with hockey. Okay. Optic fibers are mainly used for weaving, musical instruments, communication, leather industry. Tell me. This is a bit spicy. Now, let me tell you about question number 2, optic fibers. There is nothing to explain much. What does it do? It transmits data in the form of light signals. In the form of light signals, and they are mainly used in where? Used in internet, telecommunication, cable networks. Okay. So basically it's light, fast transmission and long distance communication. Basically it's light. How does it work? Light, fast transmission, and it long distance, it cover long distance. For what? For communication. And why these others are wrong? So basically communication is the correct. Weaving is long, it's textile. Come on. We all know weaving, okay? Bonai kora. Musical instrument, sound, not light. Sound. Okay. And leather industry, completely irrelevant. Guru Govind Singh was dash guru of Sikh. बोलो ये भी आसान, बहुत आसान है. बोलो. देखो सिखिज्म हैज गॉट 10 गुरुज इन टोटल. Do you know? I won't give it because you don't need it over here right now. 10 gurus, and Guru Govind Singh was the last one. Last 10th. He was the last one, founder of, and last 10th guru, and he was the founder of Khalsa fighter clan. Okay, in 1699. Okay, and first guru was Guru Nanak, 10th guru was Guru Govind Singh, and fourth guru कौन थे? फोर्थ यहाँ पे है, फोर्थ गुरु कौन थे बताओ? ये लिस्ट बना के पढ़ लेना. गुरु रामदास. फिफ्थ गुरु गुरु अर्जुन देव. एट्थ गुरु कौन थे? हरगोविंद. गुरु हरकृष्ण, सॉरी, गुरु हरकृष्ण. Clear? And we are done. That's it. So more or less these questions are very easy. Please learn it and try to clear the exam. Do not take it lightly. At least do the logical reasoning, all those parts. These are very easy. Okay. Chalo, let's end the video over here. See you in my next class. Have a lovely day. Take care. Bye bye.